I am going to talk about my Build for Bharat initiative and my problem statement. So, let's first discuss today's agenda. So, we will first start with about me and my introduction, then we will discuss our problem statement and why I choose the specific problem statement. After that, I will explain about development view of the problem statement, and then we will later talk about research insight, team and stakeholders, and about the company and its future. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so hello there. My name is Akash Soni, and I am founder and CEO of Code Fonsi. So I have worked for about 5 years in IT industry as a software engineer from 2018 to 2023. My domain of knowledge is e-commerce and I love to learn and open source new things. I have founded CodeFonts in June 2023 with the vision to make it as a backend as service platform. My vision is to set a new benchmark of performance, scalability, and cost efficiency in e-commerce industry, and I will solve some top-notch problem of today's era. Other than that, you can check out my LinkedIn and GitHub profile to know more about me. Next, let's talk about problem statement and why I have chosen it. So my problem statement is personalized experience to customer. And why did I choose it? Product recommendation and loyalty management is a part of my upcoming e-commerce project, that is Agamini. So I am currently working on a scalable e-commerce platform, and all the things that are needed to make that e-commerce platform. I am creating a separate company where I can give some of my services not only to my own product but also to the world. So let's understand the battlefield first, and then I will talk more about how product recommendation and personalized experience work in real life. So here is a e-commerce platform open, and this e-commerce platform usually start with a homepage that we can currently see, and then other than that, the technical terms that we use in a e-commerce world is search result or list page, detail page, cart page, checkout page, payment page, success or failure page. So we can witness all by navigating through this e-commerce website. You can take any website although. So this is called our search result page. Then we have product detail and few recommendation that we can see. So these are the recommendation that we are going to talk about. So after understanding our battlefield, now let's get back to the problem statement. So our problem statement includes many modules of recommendation that start with popular product according to user rating. So popular products recommendation can be witnessed here. So when we search any product, then we see a result page. This result page will be same for all the user, and we can see these list recommendation according to the reviews and rating of the product and popularity. So this is popularity based recommendation system. Then we have some other type of recommendation system as well. For example, similar product, customer who bought or viewed this also love to buy this. If we go to the detail page, then we can see frequently bought together, product related to this item, and customer who viewed this item also viewed. So there are a number of recommendations that we can see in any e-commerce website or application. So there can be n possibilities. You can check out a set of screenshot for other possibilities that are there in e-commerce world. Now let's divide our n possibilities into something that we can divide and work on. So in order to make our idea into reality, let's discuss our problem statement with the eye of a developer. So development view of product recommendation system will be categorized into 5 major types that include popularity based, content, collaborative, knowledge based, and hybrid. So let's discuss these step by step and each in detail. So first one is popularity base. As we have already discussed, when we search a product, then there is a complete list can be seen after we search a product name. Or so this product project sorry product search result are same for all the users that visit a website. So this is popularity based. For this kind of product recommendation system, we need item reviews data as a data set. Next we have content based recommendation system, where so this content based recommendation system can be seen mostly, for example, in Play Store, where for example, when we search translate app, there are we see multiple translate app as a recommendation. So this require information about product detail, and in e-commerce world we can see this kind of recommendation as this product related to this item. Next we have collaborative filtering. So collaborative filtering is widely used in e-commerce world, and there are two type of collaborative filtering: item based and user based, that we will discuss later. So for this kind of product recommendation system, we need user rating and user data and product data as a data set. And the small problem that we witness in this kind of collaborative filtering approach is cold start. So what is cold start? So we need data set of product reviewed by users. So we need some data set before starting to show some recommendation. This problem is called cold start. Next we have knowledge based filtering, where we tackle the problem of cold start. So instead of showing our product recommendation according to users rating, we use user interaction data and how do they interact with our e-commerce website or app to show our recommendation. And lastly we have hybrid approach, where we combine content based and collaborative data to suggest the product recommendations. So after that we have research and insight validation. So solution of collaborative filtering and popularity based recommendation system are mentioned in the POC that I am going to explain. So here is the solution of some of the recommendation system. For this we need some data set, and this data set have user ID, product ID, rating, and time span in it. So currently this is 100 MB file that include ratings of reviewed by any user related to a product. So in the first half of this Python notebook or Jupyter notebook, we are first importing our data, making it as a data set. Then we are visualizing data by printing some of the data. Then we are visualizing in the diagram, and then we are processing our data so that we can apply few algorithm on our data. After visualization and processing, we start with our first recommendation system, that is popularity based recommendation. So popularity are calculated according to the rating of a product. The small problem that we solve in popularity based recommendation is, let's say we have a 5-star rating of a product that is reviewed by one user, and other product have 4.5 star but it is reviewed by 1000 user. So the product with 4.5 rating must come first, because we are showing it according to popularity and not according to rating. But there must be some laws according to the rating that are less than 3 or 4. So this is the code part of how do we achieve popularity based recommendation system. And then next we have our collaborative filtering that have two models. First one is model based and second one is, I think, user based. So model based collaborative filtering, uh, in this filtering we have, I think, two type of recommendation: item based and user based. And we can get our recommendation by just changing a small thing in our algorithm. So we are using KNN algorithm in order to get this type of recommendation. So after applying the ML models on our data set, we get some score, and after sorting the score, we are showing these recommended product accordingly. So this is the basic concept of how recommendation system works. Other than that, when we talk about scalability, then sometimes we do need a neural network based machine learning model in order to achieve scalability. Now let's talk about ideal customer profile for our product. So this backend as service uh, will get will deliver its benefit directly to the buyer node, where user can get benefit of recommendation. They will interact with our website or application more if they see better result. Other than that, if I talk about implementation of this recommendation system, then firstly, CodeFonts is responsible to create the APIs or any gateway to generate our recommendation system. Then it is the responsibility of a technology service provider, aka TSPs, website builder like Ploch, and app builder like Agamini, or sellers to implement these recommendation API in their platform with the help of their backend code. We can make this recommendation or personalized system as simple as calling an API, or we can make it as analytics based, where any TSP can implement our analytics API so that they can update their recommendation models with real time. Now let's talk about total addressable market. So currently, according to 2024 result, it is estimated that about 7 billion. It is estimated that about 7 billion is the total market of recommendation engines, and that include product recommendation as well as search engine results as well. And other than that, if I talk about future of recommendation engines, then by the 2029, it is possible that the market will reach up to 29 billion by 2029. So because there is a boom in machine learning and AI field, so there might be some possibility that result of this kind of platform may be exceptional in future. Now let's talk about the team. So we are a team of three developers, including me, and we have other two developer that are currently working in a MNC, and they want some commitment from my end. Other than that, we have one member that manage non-technical stuff like account and all. So in a nutshell, we are total team of size 4 and still counting. If I talk about stakeholders, then I am owning 99% of the codefoncy.com, and my brother is second director with 1% of stake. We would love to dilute our stake to the investor and developers according to market need and according to the suggestion. Currently, we are working with agamini.io and agamini.in, that is e-commerce platform and app builder on ONDC to integrate our first APIs and get some real world output. Now, what is the future of CodeFoncy? So, we'll be working on scalability, energy cost, and time efficiency of our backend as service product so that we can deliver the services way more faster than any other uh, available solution in the market. We are expecting to tie up to more than 2 B2B business by the end of the year who will implement our APIs and get benefit of recommendations. And as we are backend as system platform, so our monetization flow will be bootstrap, and the B2B business or whatever whoever will implement our APIs will pay according to their usage. All the recommendation services will be available to use from all over the world before the third quarter of 2024. Now, in the end, you can refer few resources that I have used during my PPT, and you can follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.